this problem, we're going to be dividing again with radical expressions, and we're going to need to leave the denominator without any radicals. So because we have two terms in the denominator, we are going to have to work with the radical conjugate. So what I'm going to do is just rewrite the original, -2 over 5 minus 2 times the square root of 3, and then I'm going to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, which is just the same terms with the opposite sign in the middle. And what that's going to end up doing is clearing the denominator of radicals, but it's going to take a little time. So I'm going to first distribute the -2 across each of these terms because I'm multiplying straight across. That's going to be -10 minus 4 times the square root of 3. And then in the denominator, I'm going to FOIL, so I get 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 times the square root of 3 is plus 10 square root of 3. -2 square root of 3 times 5 is minus 10 square root of 3. That's supposed to happen. And then -2 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3 is -4. Let me extend that fraction bar. -4 square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 9, which is 3. So let's see what happens with all of these terms. That's going to be equal -10 minus 4 times the square root of 3. These two combine to 0. In the denominator, the parts left over, I get 25 minus 12. So my final result, -10 minus 4 times the square root of 3, all over 13.